Right, today I'm going to have a go at fixing this handle on a Fiat 500. See, it's broke away. So it broke away there. See the hinge there smashed off. So I'm going to try and get this out and replace it. Already bought a new one off eBay. I was at Amazon. I'll put a link in the description anyhow. It's only less than £5, so we'll have a go at getting it off. I'm just trying to work out what to do here, so I think I'm going to take this door card out. So there's this handle here, I've seen no screws on the outside, so they must be under here. Let's have a look, get a screwdriver out of there. Right. Give it a pull. Just put this down a second. Yeah, it just pulled out. I just got a clip there with a screwdriver, just all pulls off. Simples. There's a bolt in there, so just give me a second whilst I have a look at what I've got in my socket set. Right, I just found this 5mm fucking Allen key sort of socket, 5mm. So I'll wrap that in there. Take that out, there we go. That's free. That's free. And I've seen down here there must be something behind here. Let's see if we get this off. There we go, that's got my boozy. There you go, there's a couple of more. Let's try and get these out. I'm probably hoping it's the same fitting. It is. See them off. Let's take that off there, let's see. Get some more on this one. That's three. I'll just make sure they're the same size as them ones before I mix them up. Yeah, they're the same. So 3 bolts. And now I think you just pull at it underneath. Got a big screwdriver somewhere. This baby, see what this will do. I'm just going to have I can't film this because I've only got the one pair of hands, so I'm going to just pull at it. And if anything different, I'll let you know. If you can see, I'm just pulling at it, and there's like these little things in there. Just cover them in now. You see it? Just turn the video up again and just pull the rest of them off. Now I've pulled all the clips out right around the door, and at the top you just got to prise it out. There you go. And down. So I should be able to get out what I need now, without having to take anything else off. So let's see what we need now. I noticed there was a screw or something in the side near the handle, so I should think that'll come out. Yeah, that one there. Let's hope it's the same size as the others. Nope. So let's see if I've got something to fit that. Back in 2 secs. Right, I found something to fit it. It's a 4mm, like an Allen key socket. Let's take that out. Drop that off there. Taking that out. Right. So good fun. So that's out, that should be the handles, it's free here. You get the other side out. So by looking at that, the bolts be out here. So I get faffing about. The sockets everywhere here. I'm just going to make a nail in this and see what we've got. And there should be I've got it as well, that was lucky. And see that there. So I'm going to find a socket for that, and I'll see you in a second. Right, I found it. It's a 10mm socket. 10mm. There, 10mm. Perfect coming up. There you are, 10mm. So I'm going to whack that bolt out. I'm going to put the camera down there in case I end up dropping it down the desk and have to pull it out, which I don't want to do. I'm going to take that bolt out and I'll come back to it. I've got it out, it's there. Came off that if you can see it in there. Little bolt. So we'll try and get the hinge up off the other side. So this will be fun. Let's have a look. Right. Right, it's come out. See what that is. It focuses. There's a screw in there, I've got to get that out now. Right, I'll come back to you when I got that out. I'm just going to try and force my way in with a screwdriver. After wiggling it all about a bit, this comes out a bit. I'm going to pull it all the way out because I can't imagine me doing it back in. But now you can see that screw. So I'm going to get a screwdriver and take this out. See you in a second. Right, I got the screw out, and this little bit was, screwed in with a screw. So I'll show you against the new one. Here's the old one, broke clean in half. There. You can see it's just broke clean in half. And there's a new one. Just take it out. And there's a new one. we go. So I'm going to put this back on the handle, do everything in reverse. Wish me luck as you wave me goodbye. See how it goes. I'll put the old screw in because I know that fits. So that's going to go yeah, there's that all there, so that'll need to be there. No.
Sure.
Yeah. I'll stop recording and just fiddle about. Yeah, I've got it screwed in. Just screwed in there in your winch. A little bit fiddly, but I got there. So this needs to go back on the door. Pull that back in there. On the door, like so. So I'll do that and put the bolt in the back. See you in a second. Just put that screw back in. This one. Tightened it up. So it's all tight out here now. Just got that to tighten up on the inside. That 10mm. This one here. So I'm going to stick that in. And then we'll see if it's all tightened. Done. Right, I just banged the door card back on. Put all the clips in, you know, banged them in. It's quite easy. Wasn't really easy, surprised me. Put this bolt back in there. Put them two there. So I'm going to put in this back on. However that goes. There, that's it. This on the door handle. So that goes. Where will that go? Like that. Line them up. That's on. Make sure the door shuts and stuff. Like that. Done. That was a quick £5.50 fix and a bolt. Never that ain't brilliant, but it's not going to fall off. Done. Dunny. So I'll put my tools away. And call it a day. So if you liked what you've seen, I know it was a bit of a faffing about, just like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you later. Bye.